Welcome to all. This talk is to discuss curvature of a plane curve, which is a smooth curve. What is meant by curvature? Curvature measures the bending or turning of a curve. Look at this here. This is a curve having parametric form r bar of t, and when the curve turns or bends, unit tangent vector t bar also turns. And what is this t bar? T bar is the unit tangent vector at the point. Suppose that this is point P, this is point P. If we take t bar at P, it is the unit tangent vector at P. And we have the expression t bar equal to d r bar by d s. What is this s? What is r bar? R bar is the position vector of any point P on the curve. What is s? S is called the arc length parameter. What is the meaning of this arc length parameter? For this, you take a fixed point on the given curve, call it as P0, and you take a point P on the curve. Suppose that the distance of the point P along the curve from the fixed point P0 is s. The distance of the point P along the curve from the fixed point P is denoted by s. That means if a particle starts at P0 and moves along the curve and reaches at the point P, the distance traveled by the particle along the curve is s, and that s is an arc length P0 t. You take P, using the parameter t, we write this P as P of t. We can express the point P in terms of the parameter t. And we can express P in terms of the arc length also. That is, we can write P of t as P of s also. When s increases, the point P moves away from P0 along the curve. And for each point P on the curve, we have a distance s. And if you take a value for s, you have a point P on the curve. Thus, for each point P along the curve, we have a unique value for s. Therefore, we can express P in terms of the parameter s also, and this s is called arc length parameter. Thus, unit tangent vector t bar equal to dr bar by ds, where s is the arc length parameter. Now, we go to a formula for curvature and also the definition. You consider the derivative dt bar by ds. Derivative of t bar with respect to the arc length parameter s. T bar is a unit vector. T bar is a unit vector. So, mod t bar equal to 1. And you take dt bar by ds, t bar is a vector. Therefore, if you take the derivative of t bar, we have to take the rate of change of magnitude of t bar as well as the rate of change of direction of t bar. But t bar has a constant magnitude. So, what is the rate of change of magnitude of t bar? It is 0. And therefore, if we take this derivative, it gives the rate of change of direction of t bar. And we already observed that when the curve turns or bends, the unit tangent vector t bar also turns. Thus, dt bar by ds gives us the bending of the curve, and that bending is called, the measure of bending is called curvature of the curve, and curvature is usually denoted by Greek alphabet kappa, read as kappa, Greek alphabet kappa. Thus, kappa equal to mod dt bar by ds. This is the definition of curvature. And here, in this definition, we take dt bar by ds. There is one limitation for this formula. What is that? Here, to find out dt bar by ds, we have to differentiate t bar with respect to the arc length parameter s. But the curve may be in terms of, the curve may be given in terms of the parameter t. And to get this, we have t bar. Using this parameterization, t bar equal to v bar by mod v bar, where v bar equal to dr bar by dt. V bar in terms of the parameter t, t bar here expressed in terms of the parameter t. Therefore, t bar will usually be in terms of the parameter t. But to find out this, we have to differentiate t bar with respect to s. For that, we need a parameterization of t bar in terms of the arc length parameter s. And we know that an arc length parameterization is usually difficult. So, we go to another formula for calculation of curvature kappa. That is, we are going to find out an expression for kappa in terms of the parameter t. For that, this is kappa and is equal to mod dt bar by dt into dt by ds. What is done here? We use the chain rule. Differentiate t bar with respect to t, then by chain rule you multiply by the derivative of t with respect to s, and is equal to mod dt bar by dt into mod dt by ds. But we know that ds by dt gives us the velocity vector. Ds by dt is mod v bar, and therefore mod ds by dt equal to mod v bar, and here we have dt by ds, and this gives us dt by ds modulus equal to 1 by mod v bar, and therefore this one equal to mod dt bar by dt into 1 by mod v bar. That is, kappa is equal to 1 by mod v bar into mod dt bar by dt. That is, we differentiate unit tangent vector t bar with respect to t, then multiply by the reciprocal of the velocity vector. This is the formula used for calculation of curvature of a plane curve which is smooth. Thus, this is the definition of curvature, and for calculation we use this formula. Now, what will be the curvature of a straight line? A straight line has no bending, and curvature measures the bending of a curve. So, curvature of a straight line is surely 0. And let us verify that curvature of a straight line is 0 using this formula for curvature. You take a straight line. Take a straight line which passes through a point P, x0, y0, z0, and which is parallel to a vector u bar equal to u1 I bar plus u2 j bar plus u3 k bar. The parametric equations of this straight line are x equal to x0 plus u1t, y equal to y0 plus u2t, z equal to z0 plus u3t. And therefore, what is r bar? R bar of t, that is the parameterization of this straight line is r bar of t is equal to x0 plus u1t I bar plus y0 plus u2t j bar plus z0 plus u3t k bar. And we find out v bar first. V bar equal to dr bar by dt equal to derivative of every component with respect to t. This constant derivative of this term is u1 and this vector unit vector I bar plus derivative of this component y0 constant, so derivative 0, and derivative of u2t is u2 into this vector j bar. Similarly, derivative of this component is u3 into k bar. And therefore, mod v bar is root u1 square plus u2 square plus u3 square. Therefore, unit tangent vector t bar is v bar by mod v bar, and that is equal to 1 by mod v bar into v bar. Therefore, 1 by root of u1 square plus u2 square plus u3 square into v bar, that is u1 I bar plus u2 j bar plus u3 k bar. And curvature having this formula, therefore go to this derivative dt bar by dt. Here t bar is this one, u bar is a given vector. Therefore, all the components u1, u2, u3 are constants. Therefore, this one is a constant, and here all these components are constants. Therefore, derivative of t bar with respect to t is the 0 vector, and therefore kappa equal to 1 by mod v bar into mod dt bar by dt, and that is equal to 1 by mod v bar into 0 equal to 0. That is, curvature of a straight line is 0. And one thing, in this formula curvature equal to 1 by mod v bar into dt bar by dt, this mod V bar. Now let us find out curvature of a circle. Take the circle x square plus y square equal to a square. This is centered at the origin and having radius a. What is the parameterization of this circle? You know that its parameterization is r bar of t equal to a cos t I bar plus a sin t j bar. And from this parameterization, find out V bar. V bar in terms of t, it is dr bar by dt. Derivative of this vector with respect to t is negative a sin t I bar plus derivative of this is a cos t j bar. And therefore, mod V bar equal to root of minus a sin t whole square plus a cos t whole square, and that's equal to root of this is a square sin square t plus a square cos square t. It is root of, take a square as common, then a square into sin square t plus cos square t, that is root of a square into 1. Therefore this is a, mod V bar is a, and therefore t bar equal to V bar by mod V bar equal to V bar by mod V bar, and it is 1 by mod V bar. Therefore 1 by a into negative a sin t I bar plus a cos t j bar. Cancelling a, we get minus sin t I bar plus cos t j bar, that is t bar. This is the formula for curvature. So find out dt bar by dt. Therefore dt bar by dt equal to derivative of this with respect to t, that is minus cos t I bar minus sin t j bar, and therefore mod dt bar by dt equal to root of minus cos t whole square plus this minus sin t whole square, and that is equal to root of cos square t plus sin square t, that is 1, and therefore this is 1. For curvature, kappa equal to 1 by mod V bar into mod dt bar by dt, and this is 1 by a, mod V bar is here a, and this obtained as 1 and equal to 1 by a. What is obtained here? Curvature equal to 1 by a. What is a? A is the radius of this circle. Thus curvature at any point on a circle is the reciprocal of the radius of the circle. Thank you.